Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of SK2K. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell you, today is new project day. Let's see what we got. Got a 2017 BMW X3 28i. Quick look inside here. Pretty decent. Let's get it inside, scan her up, and see what we need. Well, got a dashboard full of lights. Let's see what we can figure out here, folks. So looking pretty good, but had all those codes, so we're gonna go ahead and scan it with our scanner and see what's up. So got a few things here, but some of this might go away when you drive it, just like the X5. Battery, well, that's just the battery's dying because it's sat outside forever. The pedestrian warning thing is interesting to me. The flat tire monitoring system, again, that just could be because it's sat outside. Engine oil, obviously that has to be when you're running it. Yeah, we're just scanning it, see where we get. So the main issue here is that wheel speed sensor. I think it's causing a lot of the issues that you see on the screen here. We'll go ahead and order those parts, swap it out, do a full brake job, and see where we're at. You know, it says wrong sensor type, which could mean it's either unplugged but I did go through later in the video and check everything out, and it is plugged in. Everything looks okay. So we'll just have to go ahead and just swap that part out completely and see what the car says. I think that's tied into the pedestrian sensor as well. All right, so since it says the right rear speed sensor, and you can see how bad this is, we're gonna yank this tire off and see if the connection is loose, broken, or, as the car says, the wrong part. So we're gonna go ahead and jack it up, take the tire off, and take a look at that. Well, with a little searching, we're able to find this sucker, which is actually a smaller key than the big old X5. You get to now see how roached these things are. Lots of pad left, but must have been sitting in snow, sitting for a while. I went ahead, there was a little bit of lip, but nothing crazy. I did go ahead and just order a whole new set because, to be honest, I don't want to deal with this. So you guys are seeing the first look at everything that I'm seeing. So I'm just gonna kind of look. Here's those sensors right there. That's what is saying is giving me the issues. This guy here. So it says anyways. But it's supposed to connect somewhere here. Follow it, goes down. It says it doesn't think that it's compatible or the right part. So it's obviously this one here that goes down. So that's just an idea. Something here. Should I buy this? I don't think BMW would wrap this in that tape. Probably something here, be my guess. Because this one here is for the brake wear sensor. And looks all decent. Although that's in there. Brake wear sensor's in here. So look at that, she's pretty mangled. So, whole new kit, look at how bad these calipers even are.
This doesn't seem right. What is this thing? Oh, fucking, look at these guys here. On inspection, this is the trap door cover that covers all this nice wheel speed sensor and stuff up, and it was jammed up in here. Jammed up in our friggin' shock. So, I'm guessing it's right in here. So we ordered a new one, it's 40 bucks. On the next video, we'll go ahead and swap it, but to me, everything's hooked up. And I don't see anything wrecked, but it's probably maybe the wrong one, or there's along the line here, if you look. Maybe. Over here, this is wrecked. But anyways, next video, clean all these up, everything new. We'll see if it fixes it all. Thanks for tuning in. So, upon further inspection, there is an adapter on this. The other side does not have the adapter. Everything else looks good all the way through, other than someone pulled this off, but the other side does not have this adapter. So, I wonder if it's the adapter, or it might be right with this whole harness thing being incorrect. This might not be right. But it also was not completely tight. There's a gap in it. I don't know if I can show it, but this. Look like that. Oh, worse than that, but anyways. Let's put some cleaner in there. Close this gap that's in between here, but let's see what happens, because maybe it's just that. All right, so what we did, we just sprayed up all those connections with a little bit of, not for the French version, but the electrical clean, and put it back together. We know for a quick boot and see what happens. Hopefully, maybe that cleared it up. Who knows? Can we get lucky? But yeah. All right, so nothing cleared. Got a weird knock in the back. Brakes go right to the ground, so definitely a brake job. And it probably needs a parking brake. That would be my guess. I hope that chassis stabilization goes away just because it was towed up on a flat deck and sat, so let's rescan and see what happens. It does have the heads-up display, which is kind of cool. Expensive windshield. That is correct. So the scan showed everything is still there. Whatever I did didn't change anything. So I guess what we're gonna do is just pull the brakes off, the pads off, order that new wheel speed sensor, and swap it all out, see what we get into. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks again.